Do you want to invest like a pro without hustling with different applications and websites? If yes, then Kotak Cherry is the right choice for you. So here's a quick tutorial on getting onboarded with Kotak Cherry and getting started with investing. So firstly, you have to download the Kotak Cherry app from your Play Store or App Store or visit www.kotakcherry.com. After it's downloaded, you have to launch the app. To continue with Google, you must select your Gmail ID when you click Continue with Google. Clicking on Continue with Email will require sharing your email address and click on Continue. Your Gmail or email address will receive an OTP that you'll have to enter in the application. Once you are done with the process of sharing your Gmail or email ID, you will have to share your mobile number and click on Continue. You'll then receive an OTP on your mobile number. You are now ready to invest with Kotak Cherry. Just click Continue. You'll have to enter and verify your PAN and then click on Continue. Now, you'll have to enter your birth details and click Continue. Once you're done with this, you have to put your e-signature either by signing on the mobile screen or by uploading your signature image from the gallery and confirm. Now, enter your professional details and enter Next. Now set up a strong password for your Kotak Cherry account. As soon as you finish all the steps of your KYC and onboarding, you are all ready to invest with Kotak Cherry.